Good morning, all. Today we are going to know about JavaScript, the main components of JavaScript. Firstly, we are going to know about the main components that are present in the JavaScript. We have learned several concepts in JavaScript. These are some of the concepts that I have covered in completing my full stack. They are variables, functions, arrays, objects, and loops. Firstly, let us know about what is a variable, what are the functions of it. Variable in JavaScript are used to store the data that can be used and manipulated throughout your program. It has three ways to declare variables: var, let, and constant. For var, the scope is function scope or globally scoped, and the hosting variable declared or hosted to their scope. The syntax is var variable name is equal to value. Let, the scope is block spotted, only accessible within the block where it's declared. Hoisting, variables declared with let are hoisted but are initialized. The syntax for the constant variable is const variable name is equal to value. Here is the example code for the variable: var x is equal to 5, var y is equal to 6, var z is equal to x plus 5, and I have executed the code and the output is 11. Now, functions. Functions are a block of code designed to perform a specific task. They can take parameters and return a result. Here is the syntax for the functions. It is of three types: function declaration, function expression, arrow function. Here I have given a detailed syntax information about the function declaration, function expression, and the arrow function. Now I have written a small code which is already executed in the compiler, which shows the addition of two variables, the multiplication of two variables, and the subtraction of two variables. First, in addition, it gives the output of 8. Secondly, it gives the output of 8. Thirdly, it gives the output of 4. Thirdly, knowing about the arrays. Arrays which are used to store multiple values in a single variable. They are indexed collection of elements. Now coming to the syntax of the arrays. Array creation, accessing elements, array methods. Array creation, let array name is equal to element 1, element 2, element 3. Here I have executed a small code for the arrays which I have taken. Let consider the elements as fruits: apple, banana, cherry, and I have given the console them and I have iterated over an array. I have declared some constant variables and character strings. Here the output is apple, banana, and cherry. Now coming to the objects. Objects are a collection of properties, each consisting of a key for a name and a value. Objects can contain other objects, arrays, and functions. Syntax: object creation. Here is a detailed view about the syntax of the object. Given a clear-cut syntax for the object creation and accessing properties. Let value is equal to object name key 1. I have written a simple code for the objects. His name is John, age is 30, and read, and it returns a value of hello, my name is one. So it gives the name and the age of the person. Now let us know about the loops. As we consider in C or Java or in JavaScript, there are three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Next, loops are used to execute a block of code repeated based on a condition. The types and the syntax. The types are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. For loop for initialization, condition, and update. Here is the code to be executed, and I have taken the for loop as I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and it shows the output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While loop. Here is the syntax for the while loop, and it gives the output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written a small code for this which gives an output of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do while loop. A do while loop is the loop in which the code is executed once before checking the condition. And I have taken a small and simplest code which gives the clear-cut output as 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here is a clear information about the variables, objects, arrays, functions, and loops in the JavaScript. This is what I have particularly used in the JavaScript, and I have explained thoroughly. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.